Well, we just did a quick swap on the coils. Yeah, I think we can see the problem there. That number 3 coil is sparking somewhere other than in the cylinder. And as you can see, the Misfire traveled number 1 cylinder. Yeah, there's something bad wrong with that coil, I say. You shouldn't have spark jumping around the top of it instead of going to the plug. And I believe if you look right there, dead center of the picture, you can see where the coil was arcing to ground and blowing past the boot, and that's why we were getting a light show under there. Hope this helps. Sparky out.